In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unblock people on TikTok. Okay, so this is super easy to do, and once you've loaded up TikTok, you'll be on your home page, and then you want to go ahead and tap on the me icon there at the bottom right. That's going to take you to your profile, and then you want to tap on those three vertical dots at the top right. Then you want to tap on the second option underneath account, which is privacy. And then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find blocked accounts. Tap on that. And here it will show you a list of all the accounts that you have blocked. Now to go ahead and unblock the person, it's super straightforward. You just tap on unblock and that person now has been unblocked. So that is very quick and easy to do. So that is how you unblock people on TikTok. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.